eyes. She's out to get you, danger by design. Cool-blooded vixen, she don't compromise. She's something mystical in colored lights. So far from typical, but take my advice. Before you play with fire, do think twice. And if you get
Pinarello all'arrivo, per lei 1:05,94 e conquista la 7ª serie femminile. Siamo al